wish it didn't have to
wow.
be this. Writing letters, signing petitions. They can ignore that. They can't ignore this.
The inland tool rips.
We need some money brought in the Leica. Away we go. Hey, Gary, Jack, how's things with you, mate? How's the family? I heard things are good.
Yeah, all good, mate. Things are going well. I started with the NRL.
Pinged.
What did he do?
Drove out in front of the cop car.
Which one?
Just there.
Apprehend that horse ass for reckless driving.
Going to the pool. Because I stretch my muscles. Well, we do it more often. Oh, is that Anthony? Was that Anthony? Yeah. What was that? The fuck was that? Fucking lying to dead.
It's one for Scotty.
Call me Booger.
All right, Booger.
Oh, Jesus, what are you doing, you fool?
They may not have different size bags, but if they have, just get the smaller.
No worries.
Yeah. I can never remember if they've got two different sizes or it's Woolies or Coles or whatever.
Yay!
How dare you?
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
That I'd like you to explain, Your Holiness.
Of quirks and quarks in Canada. So much ready to be done to make a difference as is displayed. The science show on our end, where we continually display, as Bob just said, young people who are going to make good things happen. How? Well, here's a reminder of the primary school teacher, Judith Stutchbury, whom the Prime Minister recognised in October. Whereabouts is your school, actually? You know, I know it's in Bundaberg, but near the ocean?
It's about 8 kilometres from Monroe Turtle.
Couched in scientician, double bubble, toil and trouble, pseudo-quasi alternative.
See?
Land. The beautiful island of Lungtalanana.
No, mate, you don't fucking pull up
just
there.
Off the northeast coast of Tasmania. The community is getting ready to reintroduce
Manual recording on.
and potoroos, animals that have been missing from the island for decades.
You wanker.
Those animals are culturally significant and important to the island ecosystem. I've been kindly given permission to speak about wombats in particular in this context. The wombat's a significant animal for the Palawa people, the Tasmanian Aboriginal community. They were an important food source and they hold cultural stories, including a creation story. Wombats also turn over soil and graze down vegetation, creating mosaics of grass and heathlands. And their burrows are safe havens for other animals, from predators and from wildfire. Palawa understand that country is holistic and the animals that come from country are important for balance and for health. They're related.
All right, well, we're still under a caution. I want you to back out on that track and hit the pace car. Hit the pace car? Hit the pace car!
Relationship with wombats is long-standing, and wombats are important for story, and spirit, and subsistence. So reconnecting with these animals helps the Aboriginal community rebuild their connection to country. So for this
Fucking idiot. Well, that's illegal. File locked. Oh, same that. Fucking hell. What are you doing? Fucking idiot.
Motherfucker.
That little prick.
was a man-eater. It's called the man-eater or something. So this guy would hunt. They brought this old dude from Europe down there to track this animal. This dude tracked this animal between 3 different cities in this area, and finally got that son of a gun because he shot it and it was trying to attack him.
Well, no shit.
No, 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 no. You fucking moron!